Hello everyone, I am Smita. Welcome to yet another episode of Delicious Madras. Today we are preparing a healthy vegan recipe. It's one of my favorite dish, Malabar style soya pepper fry. So without wasting much time, let's get into the ingredients.
1 cup soya chunks, garlic, ginger and curry leaves, 1 chopped onion and little shallots, 1 tablespoon rice flour and 2 tablespoon corn flour, half tablespoon fennel seeds and 1 tablespoon cumin seed, 1 tablespoon pepper powder and half a spoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, and we are using this masala which is noodles masala, and soya sauce, it's 1 tablespoon, 1 lemon for the tangy taste, required salt. We want little vegetable oil for roasting the chunks. Now we need to cook the soya chunks. So I am going to add these chunks into this hot water for soaking for another 10 minutes. Yeah, now it's cooked. So now we can remove this pan. Now the chunks is ready, so we can drain it by squeezing and transfer it to another bowl. So I am going to place another pan for making the masala. Check the heat now and we can add little oil.
Now we can roast all these ingredients.
All these garlic, ginger, then onions, saute it well until it gets roast. Little curry leaves and mix it well. Let's add cumin seed and fennel seed now. And stir it well until it's golden brown. I'm adding little turmeric powder and pepper powder as well. And let's mix it together. All these ingredients are thoroughly roasted now. Once it is taken out from the flame, we can keep it for cooling. After roasting the ingredients, we have transferred the ingredients into this blender. Now we can paste it well. Now take a bowl and we are going to prepare the masala batter for the soya chunks fry. We can add corn flour, then rice flour, then little pepper powder, then turmeric. This is our noodles masala, so I am going to add this as well. Then the chili, Kashmiri chili powder. Finally our masala paste. This paste is made with that roasted onion, garlic and ginger. So I am going to add this as well and mix it well. Add little salt into it and then soya sauce. Add water for the batter to prepare.
Finally, we can add some lime juice into it.
We can mix it well. So the batter is ready now. It's time to add the cooked chunks into this batter. Let's all the ingredients get thoroughly mixed. Now we are done with our marination process. It's time for the preparation.
Let's jump into our final roasting process. Heat oil in a pan and add these marinated soya chunks into it.
Now stir it well. We are using a deep fry method here. Proteins are extremely important for our body to build muscles. Soya chunks contains almost 54 grams of protein for every 100 grams. So it is having high protein diet. Proteins are extremely good for our health. Also, it's good for hormonal balancing.
Also, it helps to reduce our cholesterol. So in short, I can say the recipe which we are preparing today is a very healthy diet plan with little spice and flavors.
Now the recipe is almost done. We can switch off the flame, and the final stage we can add little lime juice. I'm garnishing with little coriander leaves. Now our recipe is ready. Now it's a time to serve. We can transfer it to another bowl. Friends, our recipe is ready now. It's a time to serve. Please try this out, and I'm waiting for your feedback in the comment box. Thanks for watching our video. If you haven't even subscribed our channel, please to subscribe it. Delicious Madras. Thanks for watching. Until then, bye-bye.